Hello, friends. From today, we're going to start history. From now, we'll also upload some videos about history. Today is the first day. Today, we will discuss why do we learn about history. People often ask, why do we have to study history? It is all past and finished. But history is useful. It teaches us many things about the world we live in. Here are some reasons why we study history. History is interesting. It is interesting to find out how people lived in the past. Where did they live? What did they wear? How did they travel? What did they eat and how did they cook their food? What did they believe? What kind of government did they have? What did they do in their free time? History is about everyday things like this. Understanding the world today. History helps us to understand the world today. We learn how our government, our laws, and our way of life began. We also learn why people in other countries have different governments, laws, and ways of life. This helps us to understand more about other people. Learning from the past. We must try to learn from the mistakes people have made in the past. Perhaps we can make the world a better place to live in. I think this is actually the main thing of history. What is that? That is the people who were living before us and what type of mistakes they did. We have to learn from them to make the beautiful world for future. Thank you.